So my name is Patrick Meyer. I've been with UTC for 2 years now. So today we're sitting in Brownsville, Texas at the Brownsville Port, which is where we're loading a Gutfud Konecranes mobile harbor crane, which is roughly about 250 tons. We're moving it from Brownsville all the way to the Tampa terminal in Tampa Bay, Florida, and we're moving it via barge the whole way, rolling it on the barge with plates instead of using ramps, which is a more cost-effective option.
My name is Andrew DeLuca. I work for Consolidated Terminals and Logistics Company. You know, a lot of preparation goes in place. This isn't something that happens overnight. So due to the magnitude of the crane and the fact that we are going to Tampa via blue water straight through the Gulf of Mexico, and the fact that it doesn't get broken down and containerized and moved in smaller portions, but the fact that it's moving exactly how it is, put the counterweights back on it and it'll be in operational condition. It's great to just be here, kind of boots on ground. Everything up to this point has been conceptual, so to see everything come together and to be out here hand in hand with UTC, they're not new to this type of work, they're not new to heavy equipment, they're not new to moving cranes. It's great to see everything come together successfully.
My name is Tom Bass. I'm field services with UTC Overseas. We're here in Tampa today to offload the crane, and now what we're doing is we have the pumps on board as well so that we can start ballasting the barge. Numerous things before we can even think about rolling it off. Here at UTC, we're proud to deliver something as unique as this crane right here. Not too many of them get moved like this, so I'm proud to be a part of this team right here.